Take all your overgrown infants away somewhere and with it a home and in a place of their own, the fledgling memorial home of incurable tyrants and the kings. And they can appear to themselves every day on closed circuit TV to make sure they're still real. It's the only connection they feel. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Regan Haight, Mr. Fagin and friends, Mr. Thatcher and Beasley, and Bertha Nevin party. Because of McCarthy, the memories of Nixon, and now Johan Color, a group of anonymous Latin American beaters back in glitterati. Did they expect us to treat them with any respect? They can polish their middles and sharpen their smiles and amuse the Sams, play games for a while. Boom, boom, bang, bang, light on you did. When they favorite toys, they'll be good girls and boys in the fledgling memorial home of colonial waste of life, and the links is everyone in. Are you having a nice time? Now the final solution.